Simple pero masarap na vegetable dish ba ang hanap mo? Try this ginisang repolyo recipe na easy to make and budget-friendly na, nutritious and delicious pa. First, brown ang pork belly na hiniwa ng maninipis until mag-render ng fat at maging crispy. Bawasan ng mantika galing sa pork kung gusto at saute ang shallots and garlic until aromatic. Isunod ang tomatoes and cook until mag-soften at mag-release ng juices. Add patis for an umami boost and brown sugar to balance the flavors. Ilagay ang carrots and cook for a few minutes until half done. Add ang cabbage at stir to distribute. Continue ang pagluluto until ang mga vegetables ay tender crisp and the pork is cooked. Adjust ang timpla with salt and pepper ayon sa panlasa. Napakadaling gawin nitong ginisang cabbage with pork belly. In 20 minutes or less, dinner is ready. Enjoy!